Okay, Aarti, today I'm going to check your homework. I'll teach you how to check your essay in your exam. You read it, find out your mistakes. I will just interrupt you in the middle if you could not. Okay, Aarti, start please.
Some people believe that government should ban dangerous sports. Others claim that they should have freedom to choose their favorite activities. Discuss both views and present your opinion. The implication of banning dangerous sports and activities should be done by government or not, which is fairly debatable. I would pen down my opinion before attaining a coherent inference. On the one side, hazardous activities and sport should be banned by authorities because this kind of sport can kill person and even worse, someone can badly injured.
Someone can badly injured. Is
Mm.
it correct? What to check? I taught you post writing.
Yes.
My
Similar.
post writing video is also there on my channel. What to check?
Active passive, I think.
Yes, dear. Just check it, please.
Someone can be badly injured.
Yes, it's passive voice. Okay. Next.
Furthermore, young
What's the
generation.
mistake? What's the mistake furthermore? Young generation. Comma mistake, Aarti.
I did, but it's just.
Furthermore.
Furthermore, young generation is blindly follow the trend.
Is it correct? Young generation is blindly follow the trend. Is it correct? What to check? You need to check active passive. You need to check present tense, past tense, or tense also. Singular, plural, everything. So what's the mistake over here? Did you watch that post writing video?
Young generation blind. Young generation blindly follow the trend.
Yes. Or
Has
follow or follows.
follows, yeah, follows.
Because young generation is singular, na? So just cancel
Fol-
the word is. Blindly follows the trend and full stop. Then as a result A must be capital.
As a result, they become a criminal in the future.
They become criminal in the future. It's sure that they become criminal. And what's the mistake in this sentence? First of all, grammatical
And
mistake.
they can become.
That's okay, but other grammatical mistake. Ati, did you watch that video? Post writing?
Yes.
What to check? How many things we need to check?
Singular, plural,
Okay, second.
grammar, active, passive, spelling,
Okay, very good. Tense,
capital, small letter.
capital, small, tenses, prepositions, articles. Now, what's the mistake over here? Tell me. They become criminal. Is it correct? If you just add the word can, that's okay, no problem.
Okay.
It's correct. But what's the mistake? Grammatical issue is there. First of all, see, tense is correct. You want to write it down in the present tense?
Yes.
Okay. Active passive is correct. Is it active or passive?
Active.
Okay, it's active. So active passive is okay, tense is okay. Now what to check?
Grammar,
What grammar?
spelling,
Okay. What spellings are wrong?
criminal.
So what are the spellings?
I just add I.
Yeah. So NAL. They can become criminal. Not they become criminal. It's not 100% sure that they become criminal. And spellings are also. Okay? In future. Next, Twitter.
According to recent survey around the world,
Very good.
30% to 40% of birds and animals get injured because of dangerous sport.
Now, what are the mistakes? See, it's a very silly mistake that you have
It's
done.
very mistake, yeah.
Make it correct. And G is not visible.
Yeah, yes, it's not visible.
Okay. Because of dangerous sports like
bulls and bird fight.
Mhm. What is this?
Bull fight
Means
and
you said me
yeah.
that 30% to 40% of birds and animals they get injured, and later you said me that there is full stop.
Yeah.
No, there should not be full stop. Can you like translate it in your own language?
Because of dangerous sports.
Yeah, because of it's okay. It's not the wrong. Actually, sentence is not wrong. You are just giving your full stop at the wrong place.
Yes, right.
Get injured because be small means sentence must be continue here.
Yeah.
Okay. Now next.
To add this, these cruel games tend to give children the wrong message,
Mhm.
which is not only distract from study, but they start to believe in such a crazy thing.
Do you think the sentence is correct?
Which is not only distract
Which is not only distract.
from the study.
Is it correct sentence? Which is not only distract. Ati, which tense are you using?
Simple present.
Okay, simple present tense. Active or passive? Active voice. If it is active voice, then what's the sentence structure? Subject,
Mm.
main verb 1,
Mm.
object. Subject is MR helping verb, object. So here, which sentence structure is and what you need to use?
Which is not.
Which is not only distract. Ati, you are using main verb, na? Distract.
Yes, yes.
Distract is main verb.
Inform.
So, are we allowed to use helping verb is with the main verb in simple present tense active voice? No,
No.
na?
No, the which
Which? Which not only distract them from study, or you can change the sentence structure also.
okay.
Okay?
I thought it
Which?
would be a
Huh.
passive. That's why I just add
How can
please.
it be passive, beta? How can it be passive? Which is subject, na?
Mm.
Which means like dangerous sports. Okay, which not only distract them from study, but they also start. Not only, but also. But they also start to believe in such crazy things.
Mm.
Okay, next.
On the opposite side, government should give total freedom to people for choosing their favorite games.
Mhm.
First reason is that many people run their house expense due to this game. If
House expense or daily expenses. Don't use house expense, daily expenses. Due to these games,
due to these games, if danger games are banned,
okay, many people
lose their job,
can lose their jobs.
which leads to unemployment.
Okay, which can lead to. It's not sure.
Okay, it can lead to unemployment. Another
Mhm.
common reason is that
See again the mistake.
people can earn fame by playing such a games like skydiving, rock
Mhm.
climbing, and so on.
Mhm. Okay.
And it can make their country proud and popular.
Just take care of your handwriting because you're in the spellings popular. Your A is not clearly written.
Yes. Next, if authorities give full freedom for choosing sports, then people can encourage to make as a career.
People can encourage to
People,
make as a career. Is it now? What's the mistake?
people can be encouraged
Yeah, people can be encouraged to
to make
take
as
it, take them as a career. They can choose, they can take those sports as their career, not make or not encourage. It's encourage. Encourage. Okay, next.
As to wrap up, freedom of choosing sports can create lots of opportunities for people.
Sorry, lots of.
Opportunities, it's
So make it
plural.
correct, please. Spellings. You are at an opportunity.
For
Make it
people.
correct.
Yes.
TIES. Always just read like this. Opportunity. See, Ati, as we do reading module, na? Just I taught you like use your finger and pencil also. Similarly, here also use your finger and pencil and then check it. Okay? For people. And
And it can source of earning.
it can. Active or passive? It can be. It can be a source of earning. I know that you wrote it good, but later on you erased it. It can be a source of earning. Make it correct, please.
However,
Next.
however, dangerous sports are harmful for
Danger sports or dangerous sports?
dangerous. Sports are harmful for people, animal and birds at a long term.
At long term or in long term?
Long term. My opinion is that government should ban this kind of sports.
And what I said to you, my opinion is, I gave you vocabulary also, that
Yes.
instead of my opinion, you can use my conviction is.
Yeah.
I said you, right?
Yeah.
So please try to use the vocabulary also. I'll not disappoint you. Your coherence was good, your question was good. So you can get like 6 bands. Fine. But make your grammar correct. But we don't need 6 bands. We need 8 or 9 bands. Fine, 6 to 6.5. But your like spellings were wrong.